Hello, this is how to add an inventory item of your own liking into Adventure Game Studio or AGS. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the right hand corner, go to Sprites, double click on that. This is my sprites for my current game. You're going to want to go up here, import new sprites from files. Now you can just choose any sprite of your choosing. I'll go with this one. Import. You're going to click import. Then you're going to want to go to inventory items. You're going to want to right click it, new inventory item. So down here, this is a blue mug right now, you're going to want to go down to image, and then you're going to want to click these three dots here, and then to click the image you want, we're going to go with the wallet, use this sprite. Now for the mouse cursor image, sometimes when creators making their games, they want their mouse cursor image to be a different image than the one displayed in the inventory window. But for now, we're just going to go with the same one as in the inventory window. And that's how you do it. Right here, you can change the name of it. You're always going to want to have an I in front of it. At least that's what I recommend, as well as I already have it. Inventory items, as well as what AGS recommends. But here is where you decide if the player starts with the item or not. Like as soon as you start the game, is whether you want the player to have it already loaded in their inventory or not when you start the game. So like if you want the player to pick it up rather than just start with it, then that's what you'll do. Also, one more thing to note that is that inventory items are always in the global script for AGS, not in the room scripts. And then these are also all the interactable things that you can do with them in the inventory, which also the three dots take you to the global script where you can have players say or walk to them like I have done in my game. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.